Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Secreto Iberico. First, let's understand this incredible cut. Secreto Iberico is a prized, well-marbled cut from the shoulder of the Iberico pig, known for its rich flavor and tenderness. To begin, remove the meat from its packaging and pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful sear. Next, season generously on both sides with coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Simple seasoning allows the meat's natural flavors to shine through. Now let's get cooking. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a small amount of high smoke point oil, like grapeseed, or render some of the fat directly from the secreto itself. Place the seasoned meat in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side until a deep, golden brown crust forms. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, using a reliable meat thermometer. Once cooked, transfer your beautiful Secreto Iberico to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is absolutely essential, allowing the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. After resting, slice the secreto against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Serve immediately with simple accompaniments like a fresh salad or roasted vegetables, letting the exquisite taste of the pork be the star of your meal. To ensure your Secreto Iberico is always perfect, remember a few key tips. Firstly, avoid overcrowding the pan. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain high heat and achieve a proper sear. Secondly, always use a meat thermometer to accurately gauge doneness, as thickness can vary. Finally, trust the quality of the meat. Its natural marbling and flavor are exceptional. Enjoy this truly special cut, a culinary delight that's surprisingly simple to prepare at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.